Welcome. I phone is a Samsung Galaxy A80 and today I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So the easiest way to do it would be to pull down the notification panel like so. From here, for me it's on the second page, the first option right here, Do Not Disturb, and you can tap on it to enable it however it's set by default. So just tap on it and blue means it's enabled, and you can also hold it to go into the settings of it. And from here, you'll have turn on, just gonna disable it. Then you have allow exceptions. If you tap on it, you'll get a bunch of other options here. So you have for exceptions, alarms, media and touch sound. You can choose however you like it. Then you also have exceptions for calls, messages, and both of them have the same options. But if you tap on it, you have you can exclude from Do Not Disturb mode basically all calls, contacts only, which whoever would be in your contact list can reach you, and then only favorites, for instance, or no one. And no one would be no one can call you, and everybody can call you, and everything between is however you have it set personally. And then messages have, like I said, the exact same options. And then I've also repeat callers, event, tasks, alert. You can mute them all or enable it, reminders. So just however you like it to be set. And when you go back, then you should also have turn on as a scheduled right here. You, for instance, enable that and also tap on it here. You can choose each day of the week that you want it to be in effect. Circle is basically enabled. So let's say you want it only from Monday through Friday, and Saturdays to be on or well off, so it doesn't turn on. So now from Monday through Friday, Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled at 7 or well at 10 till 7 in the morning. And you can change it as well. You have start here. So once it's selected, you can just choose, for instance, to be 8, and then time it ends, for instance, also 8. So it's 12 hours of silence. And now Monday through Friday, the Do Not Disturb mode will enable at 8 p.m. and disable at 8 a.m. And that's how you would also set it up. And now you don't really need to enable it here. It will enable itself automatically, and this is now more for a time where you actually want to enable it outside of the schedule. So for instance, if I want it to be in Do Not Disturb mode now, so I don't get any calls, I would just enable it, and then I would have to also manually disable it, otherwise it will stay on. So that is how you would set it up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.